पापायरस नावाचा कागद असतो. त्या कागदावरती इजिप्तमध्ये ही सगळी चित्र वगैरे जे काय रंगवलेलं आहे हे सगळं पापायरसच्या कागदावरती केलेलं आहे. आणि हा कागद कसा बनवतात ते पाहायला आपण इथं पापायरस म्युझियममध्ये आलेले आहोत.
चलो चलो चलो. First, you are welcome here in our gallery. My name is Mohammed. I would like to give you a brief idea about this plant. Anybody seen it before?
नेव्हर.
Me too. This plant, holy plant in the ancient times for two reasons. The first reason, the flowers looks like sun rays, symbol of Amun-Ra, the god of the sun. The second reason, the stem looks like pyramid, symbol of eternity. For making paper, we cut the stem in whatever size, in the big size or the smaller size. And we remove the outer part, which was used for making sandals, mats, hats, and small dolls. For making paper, we use the inner part. Cut the inner part into small slices. Thank you. This is to break because contains 15% sugar and 50% water. For reducing the amount of water, we use wooden hammer. Use a hammer, you know?
Yes.
Use a hammer?
We know hammer.
Use a hammer?
Yes.
For who?
My wife uses it for me.
Where's your wife?
I didn't bring her. I am not a fool.
Why did you bring her?
I am not a fool. Why should I bring her here?
Use a hammer? No. Any woman?
Yes, we all use.
Use a hammer?
We are all fools.
Yes. No. Yeah.
Where is your husband?
For crushing ginger.
Where is your husband?
For crushing ginger, for sometimes breaking the cake.
Okay, I know. Where is your husband?
Here, here.
Where
I'm
Your
safe.
husband?
I'm safe.
Use for you this way or this way?
No way.
Like Egyptian woman. And where is your husband? Now the slice obtained more than strong and flexible throw. We put it in the water 6 days for white color, 2 weeks for brown. After 6 days, we bring to the carpet and